Reconnect everything back to that.
Is it full already, Saloni? Chandra, is that you?
Yes, Joey, how are you?
I was trying to have a cup of hot water and the water was spilling all over.
It's okay. I have a solution for you. It's called Beep Beep. I think you should really use it. So, here's the device. Maybe you can touch it. Okay? So you just attach it to the glass. And then, okay, see? You oh yeah, wow, okay, that's how you use it. Okay, cool. Try pouring your water now. Careful. Yep. There you go.
Is it full? Oh, it's full.
Yep.
Wow, this is amazing.
Daddy, what are you making? Are you trying to make something that is regular so you put on something?